The California DA is now calling on the city council to address dangerous downtown homeless encampments immediately, or he might sue the city.
Yes, Kim, one day after the presiding Superior Court judge sent a similar letter asking for an increase in police presence around the courthouse. CBS 13's Julie Watts getting answers on what can be done in this situation.
Human feces, open flames, needles, violent attacks. This man appears to be relieving himself in a planter box as people walk by.
This is our state capitol. This is our state capitol. And this is not humane.
These are the conditions county employees, jurors, and visitors encounter surrounding the Sac County Court and elsewhere downtown.
And they have to basically go through this maze of feces, urine, and tents.
The Sacramento DA, Tin Ho, took us on a tour of the sidewalks surrounding his office in the court.
What's wrong? I just almost stepped in that.
Ho says his concerns are bigger than human excrement and blight.
My employees have been assaulted. My employees have been threatened. People coming down trying to access the courthouse are having difficulty doing that very thing.
He cites 86 incidents in the past 12 months and says enough is enough.
Whatever it is that we've been doing or doing is not working. This right here is a violation of city codes. This is not humane for people to live this way.
He says he's not asking to remove the unhoused, but he wants a resolution with the city council committing to enforce the law.
It should never be illegal to be homeless. But just because you are unsheltered doesn't mean that you can break the law.
He cites several recent lawsuits where cities were successfully sued for failing to abate a public nuisance caused by homelessness. The city of Phoenix recently lost a lawsuit, and the city of Portland recently settled a suit related to tents breaking disability access laws by blocking sidewalks.
And one of the options is to allow people to camp at night, but not during the daytime. Another option is, if you allow someone to camp, is to keep your property inside the tent and not outside.
In response today, Sacramento Mayor Darrell Steinberg told us the presiding judge and the district attorney are right. He says he's working with the city manager to open up a safe camping area within 2 weeks, adding the first priority will be the encampment surrounding the DA's office and the courthouse. But the DA says more needs to be done. He wants the city to pass a resolution that mandates enforcing city code and ordinances.
So you can't have your furniture, you can't have your gasoline tanks, you can't have your property out on the street blocking everybody.
And if they don't, is suing the city of Sacramento off the table?
I have the authority to prosecute criminally and civilly any city or county, and we will see.
Now, the DA tells us he is hopeful the city council will adopt a resolution that prioritizes enforcement so a lawsuit won't be necessary.
Well, we did reach out to Councilmember Valenzuela, whose district includes downtown Sacramento. She told us she was unavailable to comment.